Hi guys, Shelli, Pelly, Annie Parker Confidential. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas. If you haven't yet finished all of your holiday shopping, or if you're struggling over what to get some of the more difficult people on your list, I have a few suggestions for you today. I've come up with what, in my opinion, are 10 of the best subscription boxes that cover a myriad of different genres. Now, subscription boxes, meaning you pay a monthly fee and you get a box each month filled with all sorts of goodies, have become extremely popular. Okay, she's all right, Emma. Have become extremely popular lately. With that, the market's been inundated with a ton of different options. Many of them you have to be careful because they can be very trinkety, inexpensive, and it really just feels like you're getting a box of crap shipped to your door every month. These are high quality subscription boxes that you're definitely going to want to take a look at. All right, let's start with number one. Number one is a fragrance subscription called Scentbird. Scentbird is a subscription service that sends you a trial size vial of fragrance every single month, like Prada, Gucci, Tom Ford, as well as some other niche brands. It's about $15.95 a month. Each vial that they send you lasts about the entire month. They say 140 sprays. When you sign up, you'll be guided through a little quiz that essentially figures out what your scent style is. And then they'll recommend a myriad of different scents for you to begin with. You choose from about 500 different perfumes, from legacy houses like Prada, Tom Ford, Burberry, to more niche brands like Ellis Brooklyn and Juliet Has a Gun. The other thing that's worth noting, Scentbird partners with the major brands, so they're coming directly from the source. These aren't knockoffs, they are 100% authentic from the actual brand. This is also a great way to find new fragrances that you may not have tried, because who wants to invest in a big bottle when you're not sure if you like it? So Scentbird is a really good option for yourself or for a friend. For the foodie in your life, or should I say the chef wannabe in your life who loves to cook, I really like this website. It's called Yes Chef, and it's a subscription service where the best chefs in the world are taking you on a tour of countries that inspired them, foods that have inspired them, and giving exclusive cooking classes for you. It's an all-access subscription. I think it's about $120 a year, but it gives you access to all the various top-notch chefs. And the cinematography is beautiful. Each class is approximately 5 hours worth of cooking classes, but before you think there's no way somebody's sitting there for 5 hours, each little session is about 25 minutes. So it's very doable. It's available on all devices. You can learn anytime, anywhere, any place. Each video is accompanied by shorthand recipes, a list of all the ingredients, and step-by-step real-time instruction and subtitles. It's a subscription that any foodie or chef would really, really appreciate. Oh, and bonus, if you give this to a friend, you get access to it for free. So it's a 2-for-1. Okay, this one isn't really a subscription. It's an experience gift, but I wanted to include it because I thought it was really amazing and I thought that you would appreciate it. They're experience gifts for him, for her, for couples, for friends, really anybody on your list. You can choose what state you live in to find experiences in your area. If you're planning a trip to New York or someplace else in the United States, you can simply pull up all of the experience for that state too. Every different category: driving, food and drink, adventure, flying, culture. You find things like racing a Lamborghini, flying an actual fighter jet, a murder mystery dinner show, Napa winery and train tour, San Francisco ghost hunting tour. All sorts of really fun, interesting things that you can do either as a couple or give to a friend, your mom, your sister, anybody on your list, at all price ranges. And that's Virgin Experience Gifts. This one I actually just got from my dad. He loves coffee, and it's Atlas Coffee Club. Every single month, they're sending you curated coffees from around the world, and they'll receive the coffee, a postcard, and information on the area where it comes from, the tasting notes, and brewing instructions for each of the coffees. It's just a really unique way to find new, interesting coffees that you might like to try. It's not something you're going to find in Vaughn's. This is a more luxury brand, and I love this, and I'm excited to give it to my dad. I'm getting this one for myself, and I'm getting one for my sister too. Beauty Pie. This is actually a membership. So you pay $59 a year, and it gives you access to their own premium line of beauty and makeup products. So essentially what they have done is they have relationships with all of the very large premium manufacturers that make beauty products for all of the big brands. These are beauty insiders who broke off, saw the extravagant markup on all of the beauty products, and thought, we're gonna cut the marketing, the packaging, and the ridiculous margins out of beauty products, formulate their own product line at a fraction of the cost. And in terms of the quality of the product, they've got thousands of online 5-star reviews on their actual products. So that is Beauty Pie. The next one is a wellness box. This is Calm Box, CALM box, and it's a wellness box. Every single month you get 5 to 7 theme-based wellness products. So they're always inspired around a particular theme, whether it's mindfulness, stress relief, meditation, living in the moment, and they have a box of products that are all centered around helping you to feel more centered and mindful. It's a great way to try brand new brands that you may not have otherwise tried or that you haven't even heard of. Next is a favorite. My sister loves cheese. 3-month subscription to Williams-Sonoma European cheeses. I mean, come on, right? Month 1 is the Italian classic cheese selection. Month 2 is Spanish cheeses. And month 3 is their French cheese collection. The next one is called Bespoke Post. It does say it's for men and women. Honestly, I looked at it and it's definitely more male-based, but I really like it, and I like it for men. Each month, the subscriber chooses a theme-filled box containing unique curated luxury pieces. Things like lifestyle gadgets, home decor, food and drink, cigars, if your guy likes to smoke a cigar every now and then. But it's an emphasis again on high-quality materials, not trinkety crap. Their goal is to introduce you to something new, which might mean a better way to shave, a trend-conscious take on hardware, or a new hobby, and that's Bespoke Post. Next, also for men, is the GQ Best Stuff box. In my opinion, I feel that this is a step up from Bespoke Post. This is a quarterly subscription box curated by the editors at GQ. I like it because it delivers quarterly instead of monthly. I have honestly found that sometimes when I've done a monthly subscription, the next box is showing up before I've had an opportunity to really use and vet everything in the previous box. I personally would prefer quality over quantity. You'll find a mix of apparel, accessories, grooming products for a total retail value of about $200, yet it's only a $50 subscription. You'll also get exclusive discounts from the featured brands and access to tutorials for most of the products. It's just really a way to let guys explore new products, and the quarterly model emphasizes quality versus quantity, and that's GQ Best Stuff. Okay, and last, for the person in your life who loves a good book, this is Literati, and I really liked this one. I always use my Kindle, but I gotta tell you, every once in a while, I just kind of like a good book and the actual pages, especially if it's sort of like an educational or motivational book. I usually like to dog ear it. So you can buy 3, 6, or a full year's worth of books. Each month they choose from a world-class lineup of 15 celebrity and author recommendations. Plus, they can also unlock access to the Literati app, which gives them access to all sorts of book discussions and live events. And that is Literati. Okay guys, those are my 10 favorite subscription boxes for this year. And if you have any feedback or recommendations, as always, I love hearing from you. And for all things wellness, beauty, style, fitness, and healthy living, subscribe to my channel or visit me on the blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com, and I'll see you on the blog. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas.